This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the Memory Saver mode in the Chromium web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chromium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable the Memory Saver mode, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. And I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, I'm going to click on Performance. Then on the center pane, right towards the middle, Memory. Memory Saver Chromium frees up memory from inactive tabs. To enable it, you want to toggle this on. By default, it's probably not enabled, but after you've toggled it on, it gives you three more options: moderate, balanced, which is recommended, or maximum. You could choose between them three, but to turn it off, you just toggle this off here. That is how to enable or disable the Memory Saver mode in the Chromium web browser. Thanks for watching.